alaikum.
First off, we're wavy, yeah, we're spacey, yeah, we're wasted. All this liquor, all this lean, it's got me floating on a spaceship. Double cups, double servings, it's no wonder why I'm swerving. All this cognac in my liver is the reason why I'm flirting. She's on dizzle, yeah, she's off it. She about to go to work, I told her step into my office. She's a bizzle, she's a dirt. I can tell by her face that she's not really a Jazzy. So I asked her why she's acting up, and she said Mandy makes her merry. Mandy makes her merry. Mandy makes her merry. She said Mandy makes her merry. Yeah, yeah. She wanna sip what I'm sipping. I told her that it's too deadly. She don't know what I'm mixing, so baby girl just be steady. I'm home alone and she's pinging me off of my berry. So I asked her why she's acting up. She said Mandy makes her merry. Shots to the head, so much tequila, I'm shocked to eat. Then just cut to me, a rough lacking up on the back half, and I'm done with them. Plus I'm with double cut, so turn it up in the cool way. Turn up in this motherfucker, now bang that too. I don't care. Half of the girls here having an affair. Half of the man them running up the stairs, and the rest of the yaks in here get air. Breathe, air. Brothers with the sun in the air. Phone ring more teams coming in the set. More in the berry, they're watching the berry. I'm all on the chick street, Curry, Curry, and she name just slowly. I showed up slowly. We tipping off for that chick, the juice that expired back in 03. That F no and that never know. Them dirty balls in Brandon. Then I asked her why she likes to dance, and she said Mandy makes Mandy makes them Mandy makes them
Сенчи. Бля. все, пиздец ему.
Бля, если бы... Бля, ну нету, да, смысла вставать. Где ёбаный рот второй? Там уже очередь, пиздец.
Мать, все снимают.
Они встанут, что ли? Бля.
Сейчас он точно ебанет.
Снимал самое главное.
Да.
With each breath, let your body relax. Feel yourself relaxing.
Вента. Давай, как пацана.
Relaxing.
2,8 и 2,8. У него 2,8, да? У тебя 2,0, бля, возьмешь что?